Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a text box in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator and create a new document. Then go to the Select Type tool from the toolbar and simply click this and increase the text. But we do not see box around the text area. If you want to box text, then select Type tool from the toolbar and simply click and drag. On the right side, you can see character and change the text size. Now, we make a text box. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.